You smoke, Chris?
I'm quitting.
That's okay, we're not judging.
It's a nasty habit. You should have Missy take care of that for you.
How?
Hypnosis. She developed a method, and I'm telling you, it works like a charm.
Do you smoke in front of my daughter?
I'm gonna quit, I promise.
My kid. That is my kid. I understand. How do you feel now?
I can't move.
You can't.
Why can't I move?
Paralyzed. Now, sink into the floor.
Wait.
Sink.